Welcome to Best Choice. The best air-dry clay is probably one of the most exciting and convenient materials for artists and crafters of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned sculptor or just starting out, air-dry clay offers a fantastic way to bring your creative visions to life without the need for a kiln. In this video, we'll dive into the world of air-dry clay, exploring the top products and helping you find the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. DAS Air-Hardening Modeling Clay, 2.2 pounds, block, white. Introducing DAS Air-Dry Clay. It boasts a smooth, even texture, and doesn't require oven baking. This clay air hardens, making crafting easy and fuss-free. This modeling clay is perfect for molding, sculpting, and creating models and figures. You can create fantastic decorations, jewelry, and more with it. Each brick of air-dry sculpting clay is extremely malleable. Molding and forming it into your desired product is fast and straightforward, especially with modeling tools. The air-dry white modeling clay is available in both 1.1 pounds and 2.2 pounds package options. It's great for both large and small projects. Since 1963, DAS has expertly crafted a range of versatile, reliable, and simple-to-use clay products. It's sought after by artists and hobbyists alike. What we like? This clay boasts a smooth, even texture, making it incredibly easy to work with. It's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. If you're looking for a clay that's easy to mold and offers a premium feel, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great for DIYs and use in silicone molds. Dries hard, so you won't be able to do any molding after it dries. But the detail is remarkable. It is a bit difficult to sculpt because it doesn't like to absorb water. However, unlike Crayola air-dry clay, it is super strong once dried. Number 4. Crayola air-dry clay, 5 pounds, teacher supplies. Introducing the Crayola air-dry clay, a 5-pound bucket of natural white modeling clay. It's perfect for kids and teachers alike. This is a great choice for your classroom. This bulk pack is a must-have for teachers. It's great for kindergarten, preschool, and elementary school art projects. You can stock up on this and other classroom essentials. With this clay, you can use traditional sculpting techniques. You can also add water to make it softer and easier to use. This allows for a variety of creative projects. This clay is perfect for classrooms and group activities. This 5 pounds bucket is a great resource for teachers looking to facilitate hands-on learning. It encourages creativity and exploration. You can add details to your creations with Crayola project paints and acrylic paints. This allows you to add color and personality to your projects. Let your imagination run wild. The resealable plastic bucket makes cleanup a breeze. Simply store the unused clay in the bucket. This makes it easy to keep your workspace tidy. Store unused clay in an airtight container. This will keep it fresh and ready to reuse. This ensures that it will last for many projects to come. What we like? This clay comes in a resealable bucket, making cleanup a breeze. It's ideal for classrooms and group activities, fostering hands-on learning. If you're a teacher or parent looking for a convenient and mess-free option for group projects, this is a great choice. What people say. We can actually make things that don't dry feeling like foam, and our projects actually stand a chance at holding up. This clay is super high quality. It doesn't start drying too fast, which allows you to get as detailed as you want when modeling, and it's very durable and holds its shape. Easy to use, easy to work with. The texture of the clay is very moist and soft, easy to work with. Number 3. Modeling Clay Kit, 24 colors air-dry clay. This air-dry clay kit is perfect for everyone. It includes 24 vibrant colors, tools, and accessories. It's a great way to spark creativity. The kit has everything you need to start creating. It includes a project booklet, tools, and animal accessories. It's designed for both kids and adults. Keep your kids entertained for hours with this modeling clay. It helps develop motor skills and hand-eye coordination. They will enjoy the fun, sensory play. This modeling clay is soft, non-messy, and dries in 24 hours. It's a stress-free way to create art projects. It's a great way to have fun. Looking for a great gift? This modeling clay kit is ideal for birthdays or Christmas. It's perfect for kids aged 3 to 12. It's a gift that keeps on giving. The clay air dries naturally within 24 to 48 hours. It's perfect for school projects and family craft time. It's easy and convenient to use. What we like. This kit includes 24 vibrant colors and all the tools your kids need to get started. It's designed to boost creativity and develop motor skills. If you're looking for a fun and engaging activity to keep your kids entertained for hours, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The clay is very easy to work with and doesn't stick to your hands. It's great for making small sculptures and other crafts. The clay dries to a nice, smooth finish. Number 2. IFERGOO 36 Colors Air Dry Clay for Kids. Introducing the IFERGOO Air Dry Clay Set. It comes with 36 vibrant colors and sculpting tools. This set is perfect for sparking imagination. This clay is made with safe, non-toxic materials, and it meets strict safety standards. It's designed for kids aged 3 and up, ensuring a worry-free creative experience. The clay is soft, non-sticky, and easy to mold. It air dries naturally within 24 to 48 hours, so there's no need for baking. Just create and let it dry. Whether it's for art class, school projects, or family fun, this clay set is a great choice. It's a fantastic gift that encourages creativity and hands-on learning. With its super pliability, this clay allows for endless creations. It's a great way for kids to express themselves and bring their ideas to life. Get ready for hours of fun. What we like. This set offers 36 vibrant colors and is made from non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for kids. The clay is soft and non-sticky, making it easy to shape and mold. If you're looking for a safe and fun option for your kids to explore their creativity, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to sculpt with and the kids made really fun creations. It dried within 24 hours and was able to be painted. Their creations easily dry and are lightweight. Number 1. Crayola Air Dry Clay for Kids, 25 pounds. Introducing Crayola Air Dry Clay, a bulk pack of 25 pounds of white clay. It comes in a resealable plastic bag for easy storage and use. This fine, natural white earth clay dries to a hard solid. It's easy to use with traditional modeling techniques and simple to clean up. It's a must-have for teachers and parents. This is perfect for classrooms or large art projects, providing ample supplies for everyone. Enhance your creations with Crayola project paints and acrylic paints. These paints work well for adding details to your air dry clay creations. Need to soften the clay? Simply add water to make it easier to mold and shape. This allows for greater flexibility in your projects. Let your little artist express themselves through sculpting, molding, and modeling. It encourages creativity and hands-on learning. Stock up on teacher classroom must-haves, including Crayola bulk packs. It's great for kindergarten, preschool, elementary school, art rooms, and group projects. What we like. This clay comes in a large 25 pounds bulk supply, perfect for classrooms or large projects. It dries to a hard solid, allowing for lasting creations. If you're a teacher or artist needing a large quantity of reliable clay, this is the perfect option. What people say. I started with DOS clay and it's great, but I needed to order 40 pounds in a few weeks and DOS is expensive. So, I tried a few other air dry clays and my own mix and nothing came close to DOS except Crayola. Most all of the others would warp, crack, and turn dark. I like the pretty white that Crayola clay keeps when it dries. It seems stronger, and doesn't crack either. For a senior year high school project last year, I made the Colosseum almost entirely out of this clay. I found that carving this clay was easier than molding it. I included a picture of the details on the interior. They were for the most part entirely made by carving clay out of each row. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.